Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Disha Panchal with an update on India weather. North and central India scorch under extreme temperatures. A severe heat wave continues to grip large parts of northern and central India as temperatures surge across multiple states, creating difficult conditions for millions of people. Weather officials say intense summer heat is pushing temperatures far above seasonal averages, with several regions experiencing dangerous daytime conditions. The biggest weather story today is coming from northern India, where extreme temperatures continue dominating the forecast. In Uttar Pradesh, Banda emerged as one of the hottest places in the country, recording temperatures around 47 degrees Celsius. Other parts of north and central India are also experiencing intense heat, with temperatures remaining several degrees above normal levels. The combination of dry conditions, clear skies and hot winds is increasing the severity of the heat wave. States including Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Haryana, Punjab and surrounding regions are continuing to face prolonged heat stress. For residents across these areas, stepping outdoors during the afternoon can become extremely uncomfortable as roads, buildings and open spaces absorb and radiate intense heat. Weather experts say the ongoing heat is not only affecting daytime conditions but also nighttime temperatures. In some places, warmer nights are reducing opportunities for cooling. Warmer nights are reducing opportunities for cooling after sunset, increasing discomfort and heat stress for residents. Health officials are urging people to take extra precautions during this period of extreme weather. Staying hydrated remains especially important, and people are being advised to avoid direct exposure to sunlight during peak afternoon hours whenever possible. Outdoor workers, travelers, children and older adults may face increased risk during prolonged heat conditions. Experts also recommend wearing light clothes and reducing strenuous activities during the hottest part of the day. Meanwhile, weather forecasters are closely monitoring changing conditions in other parts of the country. Some southern and eastern regions are seeing increasing thunderstorm and rainfall activity, which could eventually signal broader weather changes in the coming weeks as pre-monsoon conditions continue developing. For now, millions remain under the grip of intense summer heat as India continues experiencing one of its hottest periods of the season. That's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned with us on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you.